Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the Google Pixel Buds. Sweet! We've got to get past all this protective plastic. Pause music for dramatic effect. Nice! First thing is design. Google Pixel Buds have a clean and simple, low-profile design, and they come with 3 different sized ear tips to comfortably fit your ears. And when you open the case for the first time, if you're using a Google Pixel or Android 6.0 or newer device, you'll get fast pair for Android. And iPhone users, the Pixel Buds work for you guys too. Pixel Buds feature adaptive sound, which automatically adjusts sound levels based on your environment, kind of like the auto brightness on your phone screen, and they sound fantastic. Pixel Buds are hot word enabled and can read notifications and do things like even work with Google Translate. Check this out.
Help me speak Spanish. What are the specials of the day?
¿Cuáles son los especiales del día?
That is so cool. The Pixel Buds case has a built-in battery that can be wirelessly charged to give you extra talk and listening time. Now to finish up our unboxing, inside the box were the Google Pixel Buds, a couple of sets of different sized ear tips to help customize your fit, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There you go. Pixel Buds sound great, have a comfortable and secure fit, and make life just a little easier with Google's Assistant and custom features. I love them. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.